Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings, product reviews, makeup looks. We have a lot of fun here. So if you enjoy that kind of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And as you can see today, we have one of my favorite subscriptions, and that is the Luxury Divas LD accessory box for March 2020. So we're going to be getting into this and see exactly what I got from Luxury Divas. So before we get into the box, I do want to briefly tell you about Luxury Divas if you are not aware. It is a $30 a month lifestyle and accessory subscription. So it can contain anything from makeup to shirts, pants, shoes, hats, sunglasses, bracelets, earrings, beach totes, beach hats, beach towels, beach cover-ups. Just saying that because summer's coming up. I got leggings, everything, literally anything and everything from head to toe, even umbrellas. It could be in this box, and it is always amazingly curated. I love this box so much. Like I said, it is $30 each month. Now, you can buy a one-time box if you do not want to opt into a subscription. It is $35. I do have a promo code I will put down below along with a link to their website. That promo code will save you $5. Now, you can use that on the one-time box, so you can get that for $30. Or the subscription, you could get your first month for only $25. So we'll get into the box here in just a moment, but I wanted to tell you guys, I have partnered with Teami, and they sent me their Relax tea, and I am loving this, y'all. So if you're unfamiliar with Teami, it is just amazing. They have so many different products on their website, not just tea. They have skincare and all of that. Check out, I have an affiliate link I'll put down below. Check it out. I do also have a promo code, which is SouthMom20. That will save you 20% off any purchase of $24 or more. One thing I like is that everything is this is 100% vegan. I love that. Now I have here like I said, the Relax tea, and I am loving this. I make it, and you take 1 teaspoon of the loose leaf tea, you put it here in your tumbler or just a cup. These tumblers are fantastic though, because they have this part down here you can take off, and you can put more tea in here for later. You could put some medications in here, some money, like cash, just different things, and you'd never know that came off. But inside, let me take this off, see if I don't get lipstick on my fingers because I've been drinking out of here. There's like a little mesh screen. So you put your tea in, and then you want to pour, like I said, it's 1 teaspoon of tea, and then you want to pour almost boiling water into your tumbler or your cup, and you let it steep. Depending on the tea, this one is 3 to 5 minutes. I usually do let it steep a little bit longer, and I'll actually pop it in the refrigerator to let it get cold, because I just prefer my tea cold. But if you love hot tea, then you're ready to go after 3 to 5 minutes. And you guys, I can honestly tell you that I prefer to drink this in the evening. It's actually evening right now while I'm filming. That's why I've made it. And it really does calm me down. Like, I just kind of have this like woosah, if you know what I mean. It's just, you know, it's really great. It's a sweeter tea, but you could always add honey or sugar, whatever you would prefer. But yeah, I noticed that I do seem to feel calm, and I really like that. Like, it's amazing, and I love, you could literally see everything, so you know it's completely natural. It's amazing. And it tastes fantastic. They do have other teas. They have a skinny tea. They have a butterfly tea, which I do also have. It is amazing. It tastes phenomenal, but it's really cool because it's blue. But if you add a little bit of lemon to it, it turns purple. It's just fun. So I just wanted to tell you guys about this with Teami. And like I said, I'll put my affiliate link down below as well as that promo code. So check them out if you haven't. I promise you won't be disappointed. So let's get into our Luxury Divas box. I'm so excited to see what we got for March. And we are gonna open this bad boy up. One thing I love about Luxury Divas, we always get a handwritten note from our stylist. And I have Marina again. She has pretty much primarily been my stylist. There have been 1 or 2 months where I had someone else. They all do an amazing job, but a little partial to Marina, to be honest. And she said, "Hello, Nikki. Spring is almost here, and this month's March box transitions beautifully for the upcoming weather. I also want to wish you a happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope this little coin will bring you good luck and fortune. Can't wait to watch your unboxing for this month. Enjoy, darling. Love, Marina." She is so sweet. And it is a little coin, little plastic gold coin. It says, "4-leaf clover for good luck." And there's her beautiful face. And actually, my grandmother was born on St. Patrick's Day, so it's kind of a special day to our family. So thank you. All right, and then you always get your sheet here that will go over all of your products, tell you, I'm trying not to look too much, tell you the pricing of each product, which I really, really like. And they go ahead and add up the total value of your box for you and put it up on the top corner. So the March 2020 edition is Lucky You, and the total retail value of my box is $111. So let's get in here. This is what it looks like before you pull open the tissue paper. Oh, we got some little treats. We got some little 4-leaf clover lollipops, suckers. I will pass these on to Christopher. He'll love those. All right, so let's see. We have got, oh, brush and hair accessory set. A bristle hairbrush, a large hair clip, and a 12-pack of elastic hair ties create this convenient set. Perfect for travel or at home, this cute pack will surely come in handy. And apparently it can come in different colors. This is $12. So I got like a silver and black hairbrush. I got some different colored hair ties. These are amazing hair ties, and I seem to lose them all the time. I don't know how or why. And then we have a nice big hair clip, which is great. This will hold hair up really good, and it feels like it's a good quality. It doesn't feel like a cheap hair clip. Like it's thicker, if you could see. Like it's a good hair clip. Put that back on there right for now. So I'm excited about this. You can always use an extra hairbrush. So yay. All right, and then we have, and they even taped it, you guys, to make sure that nothing would happen. Love that. This is Extended Thick Waterproof Mascara by Oaklyn. Right there. Create glamorously defined lashes day after day with Oaklyn Extended Mascara. Use your new mascara when you desire intense curl and volume from the top to the bottom of every lash. And this is in black. This is $12. The thick mascara. Oh, and it's waterproof. Yay. Love. I have to have waterproof mascara. If you guys don't know this about me yet, I'm a crybaby. I'll cry when I'm happy, when I'm sad, when I'm mad, all the time. So I'm a crybaby. I need waterproof mascara. So thank you, Luxury Divas, for making that waterproof. All right, and then we have, oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Oh, geometric and striped silk scarf 2-pack. Gorgeous colors in bold hues detail these luxurious silk scarves while adding an artful spin on one of the season's hottest trends. Tie one around your neck, hair, or even your favorite handbag. And it could have come in various colors, and this is $20. And I do love that because they are long enough. Say if you have a ponytail, you want to tie it around just for a little extra oomph, you know, or maybe even just tie up almost like a headband. Now, I don't know if it'll fit my big old dome doing that, but maybe. But the handbag idea, I really like. And these are both gorgeous. Like, so, so gorgeous. That flower there's like screaming spring. So happy with those. And then, ooh, little green bag for St. Patrick's Day. We have Natural Stone Charm Mixed Bead Bracelets. Y'all, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let me cut this off. This is, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. So this says a gorgeous mix of beads, bead sizes, colors, and designs have come together to create this 5 bracelet set. Perfect for wearing solo or multiples. The fashion combinations are endless. Now this could have come in gray, black, brown, pink, or white. It's $25. I'm glad I got the black. Marina knows me so, so well. But you guys, this is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Look at the stone right there. That is just stunning. And then this one even has a little bit of brown, like, and they're stretchy. Like, this is just gorgeous. And it's, see how it's kind of catching light? Oh, I love it. Okay. Now, oh, this color is gorgeous. So this is, I'm gonna read it before I pull it out. Royal blue twisted top. This loose and comfortable fit of this top, the loose and comfortable fit of this top is second only to the cleverly designed twist in the front, creating a trendy high-low style. It could have come in green, blue, or fuchsia. It's valued at $28. Glad I got the blue because I would probably say that next to black, blue is one of my favorite colors. But you guys, look at this shirt. And then how it, oh my gosh. And I love that it's the 3/4 length sleeve and it feels so soft. Like, this is stunning. Oh, it is so soft. Like, oh my gosh. I love this so much and it is just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Marina. All right, and then our final item is a black adjustable strap camisole. And this is a must-have piece for every wardrobe. This basic camisole is timeless and versatile. Perfect for those warm summer days, or wear this cami as a layering base for your favorite sweater. It's $14. It come in white and black. Marina knows me. She gave me the black one. So this would actually be really good to wear under that blue shirt right there. And we can all use these. These come in, like, a little string on it. These come in handy so much, and I like that it's stretchy, so it's gonna kind of be a little form-fitting, and then when you wear something over it, like layered, it's going to just pop, with, especially with that blue shirt, with how it had the little cutout. This would be so cute. So we have the cami, we have the blue top, this gorgeous bracelet set. We had the set of the 2 scarves here, which are both stunning. I love this one the most, I think. We got the waterproof mascara, waterproof, yay. And we also got the hair accessories, the clip, the hair ties, and the hair clip. Did I say clip? The hair brush, clip, and hair ties. So I really enjoyed this month. I am probably the most excited about this bracelet set. And that blue shirt, that shirt is gorgeous. So that was my Luxury Divas for March 2020. Let me know down below, do you get Luxury Divas? If you do, were we twins? What variations did you get if we weren't twins? If you don't get Luxury Divas, what are you waiting for? I'll put, like I said, the link down below as well as that promo code. I'll also be putting down a link and my affiliate link and promo code for Teami blends as well. So check them out. Like I said, they have tea and skincare. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I, yet again, am very, very pleased with my Luxury Divas box as always. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.